What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Here we are back at the contraption where we do the best exercise for the one-arm pull-up. Today we're at a stage where I can add less than 10 kilos to this plate. So actually less than 10 kilos is needed for me to pull myself up with one arm. That doesn't sound like a lot. So if we say I can do 9 kilos with the one arm pull-up, that means that if I translate that to my weighted pull-up equivalent, that is going to be double the amount of weight. That means that my PR for the weighted pull-up needs to go up with about 18 kilos or 40 pounds. That's still a heck of a long way to go, but I did want to make this video because there were some lessons that I learned getting to here already. Now, what becomes more and more important is going to be technique. Making sure you use the right muscles at the right time, so having the right coordination in order to pull yourself up. Because the less added weight you have, the more difficult it's going to be, so the more perfected your technique has to be. Now, in order for me to explain this, let's first take a look at the regular pull-up here next door. So if we take a look at the pull-up, what we have is just the regular pull-up, just going up, right? That is not utilizing everything the best way possible, but that is just a nice feat of strength. If you really want to be explosive out of the hole, what we want to do is we want to arch, because then we can engage the lats more. We're going to be a lot more explosive out of the hole. But if we go all the way up like that, it's going to be very difficult coming onto the top. If you look at the other side, which is like more a hollow body pull-up or more like a L-sit pull-up, well, that is very difficult to engage because you're already curled up and you're so compact. Well, the top portion is going to be very easy. I saw a video of Fitness FAQs where he talked about the hybrid pull-up, where basically you start with an arch and then you come forward, so you actually make the exercise a lot easier, but you're also incorporating good core stability and you're engaging your biceps a little bit more. So by doing this hybrid pull-up, we really learn how to engage our lats explosively in the beginning, and then on the top we use our biceps and our core to really stabilize ourselves and to get ourselves with our chin over the bar. Now, taking this back to the one arm pull-up, what we want to do here is we want to open up ourselves as much as possible, so we really get that tension on the lats, that lat engagement. That way we can explosively get out of the hole. And as we come up, we want to curl ourselves in. But what we're actually going to do is take our opposite shoulder and bring it closer so that our center of mass is coming closer to the point where we need to pull ourselves up. And that is going to aid a lot. If you stay like this, well, this weight is going to be too far off for you to pull up. If it's closer together, you're going to have a lot easier time bringing your arm up. That's really a technique you need to have down to the details if you want to start getting those lower weights and if you want to get closer to the one arm pull-up. And that is also going to expose some weaknesses. For me, for example, I have no problem getting out of the hole, but then as I get higher, I really start to lose my explosiveness and I really start to lose my power. So that means that I need to be stronger with the core, with the biceps, but I also need to be more explosive out of the hole. And that is something that I will explore in a later video. The goal for the next video with this contraption is to go lower than 5 kilos. That would be an awesome thing to do. But for now, we need to explore some other exercises to increase that explosiveness and also to make sure that I have that top portion good. As it comes to frequency, I only do this exercise once a week, so I'm not getting the full benefit, but I am progressing week by week, and I think that is the most important thing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have some suggestions or if you have some questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'm happy to reply, I'm happy to discuss, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!